Question 5. Pass journal entries for the following transaction of firm in case of firm's dissolution. First, at the time of dissolution, the book value of goodwill is 56,000. No amount is realized. So पहले हम क्या करेंगे? First, we'll transfer it to realization account. So realization account debit 56,000 to goodwill account 56,000. Being goodwill account closed and transferred to realization account. Second, no effect of realization. Second, in the balance sheet, land building 8 lakh and investment of 2 lakh are disclosed. Respectively, 9 lakh and 1 lakh 50 are realized from 10. So, पहले transfer करो to realization account. Second का first realization account debit 10 lakhs. 2 land and building 8 lakh. So invest 2. We sold them for 9 lakh and 1 lakh 50,000. So what comes in cash? Cash account debit 9 lakh and 1 lakh 50,000. So 10 lakh 50,000. To what? To realization account. Third, we have done a similar one. Total asset of the firm are 2 lakh. Out of which 40% of our current asset, including cash 10,000, book value is realized. Fourth, goodwill is not disclosed in the book, but 50,000 are realized during dissolution. What's the entry? Cash account debit to realization account credit. Cash account debit 50,000 to realization account 50,000. Fifth, the value of laptop is 35,000. One partner has taken it for 25,000. So first let's transfer the laptop to realization. Realization account debit 35,000 to laptop account 35,000 and taken over by partners. So partners capital account debit 25,000 to realization account. 6. A partner has accepted to pay loan of his Srimati 40,000. A partner has accepted to pay loan of his Srimati 40,000, which was given to the firm. So loan was given to the firm. So partner has accepted that liability. So we will debit Srimati's loan account. Srimati's loan account debit. Amount is 40,000 to respective partners' capital account. Income tax 7. These are all very easy. Income tax liability is now payable 30,000. It is not recorded in the books. So let's record it. Realization to cash or bank. Unrecorded liability. After making payment of all liabilities and loan of partners of firm, surplus of asset is 1,20,000. The profit and loss sharing ratio of partners A, B, C are 5:3:2. So realization account will be debited and partners capital account will be credited. Realization account debit 1,20,000 to A's capital account, to B's capital account, to C's capital account. 5:3:2. So 60,000, 46,000 and 24,000. Machine is disclosed in the book at the time of dissolution for 2 lakh. Book value is realized. So let's transfer it. 9th first, realization account debit 2 lakh to machine account 2 lakh. And second, cash or bank account debit 2 lakh to realization account. One partner has accepted responsibility to take dissolution procedure. In return of this, decided to pay remuneration of 20,000. On account of expense, firm has paid him 12,000. So सबसे पहले, what will be the entry for remuneration? Realization account debit to partners capital account credit. Realization account debit 20,000 to partners capital account. How much we have paid on account? 12,000. So what will be the entry? Partners capital account debit 12,000 to cash or bank. 11th. So interesting one. There are debtors of 1,20,000 and creditors of 60,000 at the time of dissolution of firm. One partner has taken debtors at 20%, then book value less, and accepted to pay the creditors. चलो पहले इन दोनों को ट्रांसफर कर दो. Realization 11. Realization account debit 1,20,000 to debtors account 1,20,000. Creditors account debit 60,000 to realization account. Third, partners has taken debtor at 20%, then the book value less. What will be the entry? Yes, partners capital account debit 20% less, so 96,000 to realization account. He also accepted to pay the creditors, so realization account debit 60,000 to partners capital account. The profit loss sharing ratio between partners R, B and I is 3:2:1. Undertake the disposal of the following balances: general reserve, debit balance of profit and loss account, and workman accident compensation fund account. So first, general reserve, इसको distribute करेंगे partners को. So general reserve account debit amount is 18,000 to R's capital account, to B's capital account, to I's capital account. Ratio is 3:2:1. So 9,000, 6,000 and 3,000. Second, debit balance of profit and loss account. It's a loss, so we have to credit it. So we debit R's capital account, B's capital account, I's capital account to profit and loss account. Amount is 12,000, 6,000, 4,000, 2,000. Third, workman accident compensation fund again will be debited. Similar entry with similar amount. Workmen accident compensation fund account. Debit 80,000. 2. Arts capital account 9,000. To B's capital account 6,000. And to I capital account 3,000. Page number 311. Question number 6. First one. Book value of machine is 50,000, which is taken over by partner Darshan for 55,000. First, we transfer the machine to realization account. Realization account debit 50,000 to machine account. Second, Darshan capital / current account 55,000 to realization account. Proceed. Partner Bimal has accepted to pay bills payable of 15,000. So first let's transfer it to realization account. Bills payable account debit 15,000 to realization account 15,000. Partner Bimal accepted to pay, so realization account debit to Bimal's capital or current account 15,000. Next, past bad debts was written of 11,000, out of which 6,000 are recovered. So what comes in? Cash. So third, cash or bank account debit 6,000 to realization account 6,000. Fourth, book value of sundry asset is 2,70,000 and realized 2,27,000. So first let's transfer the asset realization account debit 2,70,000 to sundry asset account 2,70,000. And then second one, cash or bank account debit 2,27,000 to realization account. Sundry creditors 60,000 paid at 25% discount. So first let's transfer sundry creditors account debit 60,000 to realization account. Second, realization account debit 45,000 to cash or bank account. Sixth, unrecorded tax paid 5,000. Realization account debit to cash / bank account 5,000. Seventh, dissolution expense paid 5,000. Realization account debit to cash bank account. Goodwill is not disclosed in the books, but 20,000 realized from sale of it at the time of dissolution. What's the entry? Cash or bank account debit to realization account credit. Page number 312, question number 7. Please mark it, very important for exam. Naresh and Ch7 are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:3. On 39/16, they have decided to dissolve the firm. On this date, their capital was 6 lakh and 4 lakh respectively. So let's first write this capital. Naresh, 6 lakh. Ch7, and Ch7 4 lakh. Total liability of the firm are 6 lakh. So liabilities. Balance of accumulated debit balance of profit and loss is 1 lakh and cash balance is 1 lakh. So cash 1 lakh and profit and loss account also 1 lakh. 16 lakhs total. So what are our other assets? Other assets 14 lakhs. पता चला सबको? Okay, now let's transfer partners capital by balance brought forward. Then liabilities we transfer to realization account. By liabilities 6 lakh. Other asset, so 2 other assets 14 lakhs realization account. Cash to balance brought forward 1 lakh. Profit and loss account debit balance, so to profit and loss account. The ratio is 2:3, 40,000 and 60,000. All done? Now, what is given? 50% are realized from asset of the firm by cash. 50%, so 7 lakh cash account to realization account. 7 lakh. Dissolution expense is 1 lakh, so to cash. Dissolution expense 1 lakh, and we also have to pay the liabilities. Liabilities 6 lakh, 7 lakh. By realization account. Now, let's close realization account first by partners capital account. Naresh, Ch7 21 lakhs total. So 8 lakh loss, 2:3. 3,20,000, 4,80,000. We transfer it to realization account. Balance it to cash account. Balancing figure 6 lakh minus 3,60,000. 2,40,000. For Ch7, debit side is more. 5,40,000. By cash. Balancing figure. Here it's an assumption that the partner is not insolvent. That's why the partner is able to bring the money. So 5,40,000. 1,40,000. 2. Ch7's capital account. By Naresh capital account. Nine 40. Question number 8. 1/1/2015. So opening date is given 1/1/2015. Tarak Bhai, Jethalal and Popatlal are commenced partnership to share profit loss in proportion of 5:3:2. Capital is given. So let's write the capital first. Capital. Tarak Bhai 5 lakh. Jethalal 3 lakh. Popatlal 2 lakh. Now on 31/12 they decided to dissolve the firm. On this date, the status of firm was as follows. So let's write the assets first. Building 5 lakh. बातें मत करो please. Building, machinery 3 lakhs. Debtors 4 lakh. Bill receivable 1 lakh. Stock 2 lakh. Bills pay creditors 6 lakh. Bills payable 1 lakh. Cash 1 lakh. Debit balance profit and loss account 1 lakh. Do the total. Got it, all of you?